Hey guys, Dennis back with a brand new video. So today I'm going to show you how to get your garage door to close more smoothly. Does it look like this when you try to close your door? And it's all jerky like that. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that, and it's super simple. See this pulley right here? The bearings are totally wasted. They're gone. I don't even think they're in there anymore. And you can actually see this pulley digging into this frame right here. Here's the other side. Here's the left side. Same deal. And you can actually see right inside of there. All right, now to change that, all you need to do is raise your garage door. As you can see, the spring is extended quite a bit. And all this spring is a helper to lift the door so your garage door opener, this one's a really old one, it's an old Craftsman one here, it's to take some of the load off of your garage door opener. Now, some garage doors will actually have a rod with a set of springs over the middle, and that's normally for the larger garage doors or garage doors that are quite heavy. So what we're going to do is we're going to raise the door and we're going to replace the pulley on the left and right side, and I'm going to show you how much smoother this opens and closes. Now you see how the spring is collapsed again? So that allows us to safely change this pulley without any tension on this cable here. Now these are the replacements here. These are rated for 200 pounds. I bought a 4-pack just in case my other door here starts to fail. I'll have 2 spare to be able to change them on there. And I got these on Amazon. I believe they were 17 or 18 bucks for the 4-pack. So you can actually see the little bearings in there. Now look how smooth this spins. All right, so to change this out, I'm just using a 1/2-inch deep socket and a 1/2-inch box wrench. I'm gonna put the box wrench on this side. We're going to loosen that up a little bit. And you want to make sure that cable is loose, like I said. Alright. And then we'll just take that old pulley out. Okay, so we have the new one here. We're just going to put our bolt through. We're going to put our wire right over the top of the pulley. And then we're going to put the pulley back into the hole. Put our wrenches on and tighten it up. And that's all there is to it. I'm gonna do the other side now. All right, so we're on the other side now. You can see this one's just as bad. Okay. We got the old pulley out. Now, I'm gonna move this all the way to the front here to take some of the slop out of the cable. And then we'll tighten this up. All right, and then we're good to go. That's all there is to it. All right, so I want to show you guys now that I got these out, the difference between the new one and the old one. So the new one has a little bit of play, but you can see all of the bearings inside of there. This thing spins really nice. This is the old one. It doesn't even spin. Neither of these spin. So it's going to be a night and day difference on how this garage door closes with these new pulleys. Alright guys, so as you can see, that door opened and closed a lot smoother. So if you have that same issue, check out those pulleys. So there's a pulley on each side on the spring, and then there's also those 2 that I changed out. So make sure all 4 of those pulleys are in good condition. I'm going to drop the link down in the description below for the ones that I bought on Amazon. They were about 18 bucks, like I said, for a 4-pack. And thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you want more DIY videos.